Hey guys, I'm cooking something right now, cooking some chicken. So in the meanwhile, while I'm waiting, I said I was gonna make a video. And I just want to change the setup a little bit, be in the kitchen or something. Uh, Today I want to talk a little bit about, let's call it dreams and objectives. First of all, I think dreams, uh, you should call the things that you want to accomplish dreams. Because dreams are things that are in your mind that you go sleep, that's a dream. Dreams are things that you will not achieve. So what you want to have objectives. So what are your objectives? You want to be a millionaire, you want to have your own company, you want to be your own boss, you want to be an engineer. That's what you want to have. You want to have objectives and want to have goals. And you need to have ways to accomplish. So I know I have a bunch of people, friends that they have objectives and dreams. And it's hard to accomplish your dreams and your goals. Now, I know a lot of times they say, oh, just work hard and you will get there eventually. And to a certain extent, that's true. But it's also, you have to be smart. You cannot just be like, oh, I'm gonna, be a soccer player or something like that. And you're 40 years old, you're not gonna be a soccer player. You have already passed retirement, even if you worked out every day. So you need to be realistic with your goals, and you also need to have a plan. That's very important. One way that I like to do that is basically I picture myself at the goal. Let's say, for example, I wanted to have my own company. That's one of my goals right now. So, for example, for me, I'm an international. So first, I need to get sponsored. I need to get more experience under my belt. So the way I see it, okay, I see myself with a company. So I see where would I like to have that company, how many employees, what would I like to be doing at that company. So for example, with the PE is a mandatory thing in there. So you set that goal and then you start tracking back. Okay, so 1 year before I start my company, how am I gonna set it up? And you start reading about businesses, how to do an LLC, a corporation, everything like that. Now and then you start coming back and back. So okay, now I'm an international. How do I get my residency? Or so you can get sponsored. You see all the possible paths. You can get an investor's visa or some other stuff. I start thinking about it. So that's a really approach that I like for accomplishing your objectives. I'm just gonna get closer because this is sizzling a little bit. So if you want to accomplish your objectives, what you want to do, that thing, that backtrack. So for example, when I was doing my bachelor's and my master's, I was doing that. I was like, okay, how am I going to accomplish this? What do I want to get? How do I get there? I just start working towards that goal. Now, what I mean that you also have to be smart. You cannot be I want to be like I said, like a football player. That's an unrealistic goal, especially if you're past age or your prime. Or for example, I want to be, I don't know, I want to be a car driver or something. You might need a lot of money for that. I mean, it might be possible, but you need to find a way to make it realistically viable. I know people who, for example, they have not thrown away, but they have left everything for a dream or an objective, and they don't work as hard as they should, because it's hard. It's hard. You think oh, I'm achieving my dream, but it's very hard. It's a lot of work. And everything in the middle is not fun at all. So you need to take into account that. And also a lot of people, they just go for their goal and they throw away their whole life. And they may never accomplish their goals and then they don't have anything. So I do think that that's something that also you should have an exit plan or a backup plan. Life is about failures, and these failures will make you grow into the person that you want to be or that you are supposed to be. So let's say, for example, if I want to have, a video game shop, let's say, for example, or something like that. How am I gonna pay for that? How am I gonna get? I need to have some income to be able to pay for that. So you need to work on your free time, besides your work, and you need to know what you want. So, for example, a degree is very important if you want to have something get done, for example, a business major, economics major, or learning programming. All of that is very important in today's world. So you need to be always learning, always growing if you want to accomplish your dreams. for me, one of my main dreams is just having my own company, but it's also like being just, able to work here in the US because of my job situation. And I'm doing a pretty good job at that, so I'm okay with that now. I also have other dreams or other things that I want to do. And I take it one step at a time. Like I'm like, okay, I know I want to lose weight. I try to go run 10 minutes a day or like workout at less 10 minutes a day. Make building into a habit. If you want to have a successful website, every day write an article, every day. You want to have a successful channel, everything is just consistency and being smart about what you do. So for example, these videos, the reason I started doing these videos because I feel these are things that people don't actually think and like they would appreciate my point of view. I don't know, but I mean, I've been getting more subscribers, so I guess people like them. And I know a lot of people like one of my videos, and that's why I started doing that, because I feel people value my opinion. So you need to take it one step at a time, but have a very well-defined plan. Like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year. What am I going to be doing? How am I going to accomplish that? Where am I going to get my funds? What's my exit plan? Write it down. Write all of this down. You want to plan your life, basically. That's how you accomplish your objectives. On the other side, I also got this microphone to get better sound, but I couldn't get it to work. So hopefully for the next video. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope you like them. I saw that a lot of times you should be wearing like shades when doing videos, because that way if I'm watching there like at the screen looking at myself, I'm watching the main screen, it looks like I'm watching at the personal time, but I mean, I don't know. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe. Have a good one. My hair's horrible.